guys, Kachi here. You're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us on how to make bitter leaf soup. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever a new video is dropped, you won't miss out of it. Thank you so much today. I hope you will love the recipe, and I hope you are going to try it out for your family. Bet you're gonna love it. Trust me on this one. God bless you. Let's get into it. So guys, this is the cocoyam we'll be using for this soup. I've already cooked it. Right now I'm pounding it. I'm going to pound it until it's smooth. So cook your cocoyam and pound to a smooth paste. Pound to get a smooth paste. Yes guys. Pound into a smooth paste and share the oil you'll be using for the soup into two. Pour in half of the oil into the cocoyam. That will help the cocoyam to separate when you put it to the pot. So right now I've added some water. So right now guys, I'll be going in with my cocoyam, pounded cocoyam. And I'll be going in with some more red oil. This is bitter leaf soup. Bitter leaf soup requires enough oil to brighten up. So I'll be covering the pot right now, giving the cocoyam time to separate itself. Then I'll come back with other items. Still guys. Guys, look at it. So I'll be crushing in my Maggi, the seasoning cubes, the crayfish and the pepper pounded together. I will stir to combine. Right now I'll be going in with the salt and the ogiri. And I will allow it to combine together. So I'll be covering the pot for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Wow. So right now we'll be going in with the bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is the last thing we'll be adding. So allow it to cook for 2 minutes and then the soup is ready. Guys, look at the face of this soup, right? So right now I'll be going in with the fish. I actually removed it before now. Wow. Guys, the soup is ready. I will be turning off the heat right now. You can eat this soup with any swallow of your choice. Look at that. Wow. Man, got it. So I'll be taking this down with swallow semolina. Guys, if you have fufu, enjoy the soup with fufu or eba, but I will be taking this down with my family tonight with semolina. God bless you. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please kindly turn on the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Onye ga-abụ ka ọ ga-abụ lili